outside. Jeremy's brushing his teeth. I already did it this morning. Since we don't have the running water, we have to brush them out here and spit. I mean, we could do it into a bucket in the house, but it's not that bad out. Where's your little cup I gave you to rinse your toothbrush with and stuff? Here it is over here. Can you even see it? We're just using this right now and then dumping to rinse the cup and stuff. I mean, to rinse the toothbrush. And here is how we bathed this morning. So I boiled this pot of water, and then just a face cloth and some soap. And we washed ourselves like a bird bath, washed ourselves with just this. And this is how I'm doing dishes as well. So I boil a pot of water and then put some soap in it, and I do my dishes in here, and then I let them I just put them on that side of the sink to just drip dry. So we're staying clean. We're able to stay clean and brush our teeth, wash our body with this and some warm soap and just like a bird bath, but it does the trick. So there's no reason to be stinky or yucky when living off grid. Just have to figure out something for my hair. We think we have something set up for my hair. So I just washed it yesterday before we came, but we're gonna go to town today and go shopping and see if we can buy like a bucket thing, a bucket method. So that should be exciting.
So we just got back. There's Mommy.
Hi, we went to Costco.
Yeah. There's Baby. We're holding the other little baby.
And Tracy.
Tracy. I'm going to show you what it looks like outside right now.
Full-blown blizzard.
So, it's snowing again. Get the jelly line. The battery stayed good, so it kept the camper ready to work out, so it's good. Picked up another battery. Picked up that 100-pound propane tank there, if you can hear me. And some more gas, lots of water. But it's snowing again. Almost fell. Then here we picked up another battery, so I'll hook that up tomorrow. I don't have the stuff to do it tonight, so it'll be hooked up in series, at least a couple, and we'll see what we can get there. We gotta get a ladder there tomorrow to get some of that roof snow off the roof. And yeah. But we're warm in here, and we got some more supplies and ready for another night. It's day by day out here. We'll see ya.